Hi guys, it's me, Laura, and today I want to show you one of the simplest things that has been a winner with Grandma giving gifts for the last, we're going on 4 years. It is these simple containers. Okay, so my son and his wife are definite minimalists. And when I give a toy to the grandbaby, I give them in these containers. So these 2 containers are going on their 4th year. So yes, they are a little banged up on the inside, but you need to understand this is the house of 2 boys and 1 big boy that isn't very gentle. So when I give the toys, for instance, give these magnets this last year, I tucked them into the container so the parents had a nice way to keep them organized. So if they come in a box or a bag or something like that, that is great for the time being. But to actually keep them organized in the house, I didn't want them to get annoyed that Grandma was giving them more toys. So when I give a toy, I make sure that it comes with its box. So then it's time to put the toys away. You just say, time to put it in its container, in its home, tuck it away, put the lid on, close the handles. You have a holder on top so the child can carry it to its spot, and they tuck it right away onto the shelf. Now they're stackable as well, so it makes it super convenient to stack them up. So we have several around this house. So there's cars in them, there's dinosaurs, we have the magnets. So you just need to decide, do you want a messy house or a neat house? If you're choosing neat, then these containers is exactly what I would choose.